Welcome to Section 1 of our Make Money Online video training. In this section, we'll talk about what's making money online all about, why you should make money online, what are the most common ways to make money online, and what you need to make money online. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What's making money online all about? Money has become the foundation for all deeds on our planet, and man has found innumerable ways to earn these dollars and pound notes for himself. One of the ways to make money, where you don't need to invest huge amounts of it, is through the biggest revelation of this century, the Internet. With the horizons of the Internet spreading far and wide, the ways in which you can earn money have become enormous. What making money online actually means. One of the key concepts to understand how to make money online is learning the deep meaning of the subject. Making money online is a very wide concept, and it is a young industry with not many people understanding it. Remember, when you understand a concept, you'll succeed in that area. Understanding what it is will help you become a successful marketer and entrepreneur. Making money online can represent a variety of things. It can be as simple as filling out surveys for points on a site, which converts into real-life items. Out of this variety of jobs, one thing is in common. The output of your input is money or something of value. Can you make money online as a service provider? The benefits of the Internet go beyond searching for information needed for any desired topic. People remain in touch with each other through social media sites, and countless businesses rely on the web to succeed. Most manufacturers and service providers can be reached through the net. The Internet has facilitated quick and efficient communications while offering many channels for entertainment. Apart from these well-known benefits, the net is also being exploited for making money online. Many professionals claim to survive with the money generated through online sources. Students are also making money through the net. In fact, there are hundreds of ways to make money by working online. Money can be made online through the rendering of services like article writing, affiliate marketing, owning a website or blog, and becoming a virtual assistant for an online company. Through these services, dollars can be made online. However, making money has never been easy, and that remains valid for online money too. One also needs to be aware of the different available opportunities for making money through the Internet and recognize the most suitable one. Can you make money online as a business owner? Another way for online money making includes your knowledge of business. The Internet is the most efficient and easy way of buying and selling when owning a store at online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Fiverr, and so on. eBay is very popular today, and it is one of the largest marketplaces online. On eBay, you can not only buy, but also sell. You can use this site for buying things at lower prices and selling them for higher prices to earn profits. With online sales continuously on the rise, selling products to web shoppers is a worthwhile path to follow for business purposes. Can you make money online as a regular online user? Being a regular online user creates an opportunity for your knowledge to make you money through the use of the Internet. Money can be made through provisions of professional and specialized observations based on your field of expertise. Here you can choose whether you want to work solely online or combine face-to-face services with your digital ones.